Emacs Systems is a leading provider of ERP systems for engineering and manufacturing businesses. But we're not your typical ERP provider. Yes, we will centralise all your data so you can make informed business decisions. We'll help you get rid of duplication and improve your processes. We'll make it easy for you to schedule your shop floor, and we'll make stock management issues a thing of the past. And your accounts will finally be integrated into your manufacturing. But it's the way in which we've designed and developed our software that makes us different to your typical ERP provider. Emacs was originally developed as an MRP system to fill a gap in the market. Our founders struggled to find software that could offer all the functionality they needed to run a subcontract manufacturing business. So using their knowledge and expertise of engineering and manufacturing, they designed and developed their own. Since then, Emacs has become much more than that original MRP system. The reason? We listen to our customers. We've listened to companies that required dynamic scheduling. We've listened to companies that wanted a single system that takes quotation through to final accounts. We've listened to the companies who require complete traceability throughout their entire business system. We know how important it is for you to have real-time detailed analytics. We offer a wide range of reports and tools to enable you to analyse and understand your data so that you can make these informed decisions as and when you need to. Another thing that sets us apart from other ERP providers is that we do everything in-house. We have our own development team, our own customer service and support team, our own implementation and training teams, as well as customer care. That means there's no third parties, no middlemen involved. You deal directly with us, ending any miscommunication, misinterpretation, which can naturally cause delays in projects. Every line of code in Emacs has been written in-house. We have no clunky bolt-ons or system integration issues. That doesn't mean that we can't connect with other existing software packages. We can. But it does mean our system is truly stable and secure. We can offer a range of deployment options, from on-premise, hosted or cloud options, depending on your individual requirements. With Emacs, you have a system that's been built from the ground up, with input from companies like yours at every stage. It couldn't be closer to a bespoke engineering and manufacturing package than if you'd built it yourself. So if you want to find out more about how Emacs can solve your company's challenges and achieve your goals, visit our website and request a demo today, or speak to one of our consultants. They'll be happy to help. We look forward to speaking to you soon.